you give street food a chance. So this is calamari sausage beef steak, and that's what I'm having, the beef steak. So ladies, I've already had one. I'm gonna have this one, guys. This is amazing. Alafu nilikuwa nakula kaumbwa we. I'm kidding, guys. This is beef. 10 over 10. 10 over 10, guys. Let me show you how many people are online. It goes up to that side. So, kote ngumelia kamote mwano. Misao umelia kamote. Munga itwa yetu. Guys, this is, I'm having the time of my life. I mean, help me that serve it. Sorry. It wasn't recording. It's raining cats and dogs. It's just drizzling. And let me show you where I need to go first before I go to my hotel. I'm gonna go over there to that 7-Eleven there to maybe get a drink. Oh, this is my receipt. That was like let me see. Yeah, that was $2. $2 for the beef steak, 2 pieces, and it was worth it. It was amazing. So let's see what we're gonna have here, what we'll get here. This is 7-Eleven that opens 24 hours. So I'm here to get I needed carrot juice, but I'm sure it's sold out. It's not even there. So $3. Yeah, mango. No, I don't need mango. I need something with lemon. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye. No, not bye. Let me pay first. Let me show you how I'm gonna pay this. And I just messed up my window. I did my hair, guys. I don't know how to do installation, so let's stick to my top. I love it. So when we pay this, we're gonna have it. Yes. Yeah. Here they have everything. They have medicine. They have bread. They have. I mean, like it's a small store, but it has everything. They have alcohol. They have cigarettes. Like, and it's open 24 hours. Let's pay this. Yeah, hi. Done? My balance? Okay. So guys, we are heading back to the hotel.